What's happening, family? It's Chef Jerry. Today, I'm doing chicken gumbo. Chicken gumbo. Got my filet right here. Chicken gumbo. I don't cook with no grease. But in that, that's chicken gumbo right there. New Orleans style, Creole. So you got the okra going on, the smoked sausages. Putting chicken gumbo today. I'll come back with another video and everything together. Got my pot ready, big old pot. Subscribe, like, and get back with me with another video. God bless you. Looking right now. We're gonna turn gumbo style looking in a minute. Fry my smoked sausage down. I gotta do my swimps. And my okra's in there already. Then I gotta put my chicken in. I put the chicken in there last once I get everything kind of like together and get it tasting good. New Orleans style, baby. That's how the gumbo look when it first start off. But they're gonna get that color. I don't cook with no grease. Next video. What's up, family? Back at you. Chef Jerry. This is gumbo, and we got it together. The chicken gumbo. That's how it look. Swim for everything in it. I got my chicken wings in there. See the smoked sausages. Got the okra in there. So this how gumbo look now. That's how gumbo look. That's how gumbo look now. New Orleans style. Chef Jerry, y'all. Come back with a bowl. Y'all can see. Fix a bowl. Subscribe, like, check me out. Bless y'all. What's up, family? There go in the bowl. Gumbo. Gumbo. Got the gumbo going. Do all this stuff, baby. Rice in there. That's how the gumbo look, y'all. That's how the gumbo look. Yeah. That's chicken gumbo. Chicken gumbo. See? That's how it go. New Orleans style, baby. Subscribe, like, share. That's New Orleans style right there. New Orleans gumbo. Down south.